Hey guys, so I am back with a new video. I am super excited to be showing you guys these beautiful lashes that I am wearing. They are by Eylure lashes. I cannot wait for you guys to see. I am going to be doing a poll on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. For my next look, I want you guys to choose what lashes I am going to be wearing and showing you guys in a video. So if you're not already following me, please do that. Also subscribe and like this video, and let's jump straight into it. Guys, so I've already done all my base and my brows. Nothing has changed. It is the same routine that I am always doing. I do have the products listed below though, so you guys can see what I have used. It's nothing new. It is stuff that I have already been using. Therefore you guys aren't missing out on anything. So I'm going to jump in with my Z palette. So this is one that I have created myself. I've had this for a while now. As you guys can see, absolutely love this. It's so good for traveling. This is one of my go-to palettes, especially when I'm doing anything to do with bridal or balls. I just find that the colors are so perfect for anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump straight in with this shade here. This is obviously my most used. This one is by Geek and it is called Peach Smoothie. So I love going in with that color, and then I'm going to go in with Geek Tan Lines. So just those two there, just to define and give my eyes some definition, and then I'm going to be jumping into some other colors. I recently went to IKEA and did a little shopping trip. So that is the couch that I am sitting on right now. It was such a bargain. It was $1.99, which is such a good price. I just wanted something really small just in my living area. Something so I can sit on and just chill out and have a coffee, or, you know, just read a magazine or a book. So absolutely love it, because I don't always like to go sit in my theater room. So yeah, it's perfect size, and I'm actually using it today to film on. So fingers crossed I don't drop anything on it, because it is a beautiful light grey. On in with that darker tan line shade, and same brush, and I'm just really diffusing those two colors together just to make sure that you do have a perfect blend. Now I don't want something too dark and dramatic on my eyes, because I really want to focus on the lashes. I have a box full that we are going to go through in a minute. I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to decide which ones that I should wear. Obviously I've done a few like braids in my hair today. So it's kind of got that like grungy kind of feel to it. So I do want something that is going to match that. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can really just change the way you look just with a pair of beautiful lashes. In with my Morphe M332. It is terribly faded because I use it all the time. Absolutely love it. Now what I'm going to do is this shade is by Geek. It is called Bada Bing. So I'm going to go in with this one right here. I love it because it's got a beautiful gold fleck in it as well. And I'm just going to be doing that on the outer corner of my eyes. And I do just want to tap off, because I don't want any excess falling on my face, which I have a little bit here. So I just like to push that into the corner of my eyes. And then I just like to blend that back in and just kind of like smoke it into my lash line. The reason why I'm going in with more of a bigger brush is because I don't want it so harsh. I just want it seamlessly blended. I find with a smaller brush, it's more work to do, and it doesn't give me the same effect as this big one does. So again, because it is a darker color, I do like to just pick up a little bit at a time. I don't want to go in too dark and then not be able to fix it. So if you just start off small and blend that out. I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So as you guys can see, like already it just defines my eye a lot more. In with my Real Techniques brush, and I just like to really softly blend those edges. It's funny because I'm starting work later today, so I'm actually going in. So there's like days when I do like just a basic makeup look, and then there's days when I roll in like this, and everybody knows that I have filmed, and they all ask me, oh my god, did you film this look? And I say yes, it's going up on my YouTube, check my Instagram, and they get so excited about it, which is super, super cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm going in with Colourop. This is called Muse. I absolutely love their Super Shock. Their Super Shock shadows. So beautiful. It is like a copper. I guess you could almost call it like a rose gold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going in with my Morphe M149. It is just a small round brush. What I like to do is just pick a little bit up. I find with these pigments, if you apply them with your finger, it does apply a lot better. But sometimes I struggle when I have nails on. So I'm just going to use that, and I just like to put it just in the middle and just blend and blend. It just gives you that little pop of color when you open your eye. And I absolutely love that. And just go right underneath that eye, smoke it out a bit. So because I have hooded eyes, and I find my eyes aren't very big, I don't like to close them in. So I do like to use a really nice light color. Then I'm going back in with that big brush, and I just like to really blend that out, just so it's not such a harsh line. And I like to blend it into the corner here. Same on this side. My fringes falling out. Let me know if you guys like my hair as well. I haven't done this style for so long. So if you guys like it and you want to see how to do it, I am more than happy to do a video on that. I love to use is the Maybelline False Lash Mascara. I am obsessed. This is by far my favorite mascara at the moment. So now that that is on and done, time for the exciting part. Watch my previous video, and if you have been following my Instagram, you guys know that I am currently doing vlogging for Eylure lashes. So this was the beautiful box that I got sent. I am absolutely loving it. I do keep all of my lashes in here just so you guys can really appreciate how beautiful this box is. And I get so excited every time. Like, I look at the lash and then I'm like, right, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. So many choices. So you guys seen I had all of these amazing ones in here. Look and see what we're gonna do today. So we have the Fluttery Intense. They are amazing. We also have the pre-glued fluttery ones. So these ones are so good for on the go. I will admit I did have some of these lashes on at work and the girls absolutely loved them. So we went down to Priceline, we ended up grabbing some and I applied them for them and it was amazing. They were so happy with how easy it was to apply, and now they are doing it themselves. So yay! So the next one we have are the dramatic ones. These ones are so pretty. I feel like I do want something that is really dramatic just because of the look I'm going for with my hair. Do you know, I really want that nice intense lash. The other ones we have are the Capri by Chloe Morello. These ones are absolutely amazing. This is her collection that she did. I love, love, love these, but I feel like I have more of a beautiful everyday kind of look coming for this one. So I'm going to save those ones. Stay tuned. They are going to be shown very soon. Ooh, Most Wanted. You guys know these are one of my faves. So I am, oh my gosh, I'm really, the fluttery ones are amazing. I feel like I want to keep those for something else. Oh, maybe I'm going to do these. Okay. Choices, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, I feel like, okay, I'm going to go these ones. Definitely, yeah. I have done something with the Most Wanted. So I don't want to do another look using them. I want to show you guys something different. So, okay, we're going to go in with these babies right here. These are a little bit long for my eyes, so what I do is I like to cut them. So for me, I like to cut the outer portion and just a little bit on the inside. I know, you know, sometimes people are like, I don't want to cut the lash because I don't want to waste it, or I don't want to, you know, feel like I paid for it and now I'm cutting it. You need to cut them so they fit your eyes. If you don't, that's when it starts to feel scratchy and it feels like you got something on your eye and it pokes out from the side and it gets irritating. Like, seriously, you shouldn't be able to feel the lashes when they're on your eyes. Like, it should just feel like nothing. So that is my tip. Also, you guys, if you want, also my previous video, I show you guys what I do with my tips and tricks on using the bits that you do cut off. Don't waste them. You can stack them again on top to make the outer of your eye more wispier. You can use them down below. You can use it more of like an individual lash. Do not waste them. There are so many good things that you can do. So what I like to do is get a pair of tweezers and I like to pull the lash off very gently. And then what I like to do is measure my eye. Guys, so what I like to do is just pop that lash sort of straight on top, give myself a guide so I can see that I do need to cut some off. So what I'm gonna do is cut from the outside. And less is best. Do not cut a whole chunk off. Just do a little bit at a time. So I don't know if you guys can see, I'm just gonna cut that off and I'll show you. So I literally only have like this much that I've cut off. So I'm going to keep that, put it back in the box, and then I like to just cut the inner part of the eye. And again, I'm going to measure. So I just want to cut a little bit more off. So I'm going to take it from the inner corner. Perfect, and I'm just going to measure again. Perfect, so you guys can see that once that's glued down, it covers all my lash. So with my lashes, I don't like to take it right into my tear duct because I find that it gets quite irritating. So I want it to just really start where my lashes get picked up by the mascara and then to the end. Less is more. So we only want to just be applying the smallest amount, not too much on the lash. So you guys can see that I do have some glue on my lash there. And I'm just going to give that a few seconds to get nice and tacky. And in the meantime, what I like to do is just bend those lashes, get them nice and curved. So I like to aim the corner of the lash first, so I know exactly where I want it to be applied. Then I like to grab the outer corner, and I like to get that as close to the lash line as possible. Voila. So obviously for me, I wear lashes every day. It literally takes like 2 seconds. So again, slow motion, I like to get the outer corner, get the other outer corner, and then you can go along and just push all of that down and make sure that it is nice and firm. Perfect. A really good tip is, if you guys are unsure of when the lash glue is ready to be used, at the same time that you're putting the lash glue on the lash, put a little bit on your finger. Then when it starts to feel like really tacky, where you sort of can't move your fingers apart, that's when you want to apply your lash. You don't want to put it on when you can still move your fingers, if that makes sense. But that is a handy tip that I like to do as well. So again, I'm just going to place that lash on. Perfect, and we are done. So obviously practice makes perfect. That took me like, what, 15 seconds, if that. But honestly, practice makes perfect. The more you guys practice, the better that you will become. Do allow yourself some time though. Like, I mean, there's days when I will try to put lashes on and I'm like, oh my God, this isn't working. What is going on? Take a breather, step back, retry. So that is with the lashes on. Yeah, I love these ones. Like, they're just so beautiful. Yes, these lashes look so amazing with this look. I am super happy. Yes, you guys, I am so happy with the choice that we made together. I'm sure you guys were screaming as well. Pick these ones. Okay, so I've just gone in with my MAC lip liner in Soar, and I'm just going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Toast. Love, love, love this color. My fave. Hey guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. I feel like these lashes are absolutely perfect for this look. Hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.